All right, good afternoon, everybody. What I'm showing you here is something I'm really proud to have. Really proud to add this to my military knife collection. This is the U.S. utility knife. This one was issued (1969), Vietnam era Camillus. Just a beautiful piece of military history, especially from Vietnam. I had one from Vietnam. I have about 5 of these now, all different years. But this one's pretty rare, especially to get one in the 60s is really rare. And Vietnam was still going strong when this knife was issued. And it's perfect. All the blades are still there. They're not broken. None of the springs are broken. This is just an awesome piece of cutlery. And I wanted to show you guys that. It's really cool. All right. I appreciate y'all watching. This is Donovan from Mississippi. Y'all have a good one.